How to add Klarna to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. Now, there's going to be two different ways. The first one is going to be if you're in the US, UK, or Canada, I believe, you're going to have something called Shopify payments. Now, you may have already set up Shopify payments if you're in one of those locations, and if you did, you also know about the options that are available for Shopify payments. One of them is going to be Klarna, so you can just go in and toggle it on. Very simple, and you're going to be able to just move on from there. If you want to do that, you simply just go to settings, go to the payments section, and you're going to be able to find Shopify payments. From here, you select it, select the payment methods. You should be able to find Klarna, toggle it on, and you're good to go. If you're in a different location and you don't have Shopify payments, however, you're going to need to use a different provider. In this case, any provider that actually uses Klarna would do. So in order to find them, it's very simple. Again, just log into your Shopify admin, go to settings, and again, just click on payments. Now in here, you want to select the supported payment methods, click on add payment method, and you want to basically search up Klarna. Now you're going to be given a different amount of providers here that work for your location, and obviously it's going to be your job right now to check out which one is going to be the best one for you and for your location. So it's going to be a little bit different, it really just depends on where you are located. So for me personally, because I am located in the UAE, out of these four, the checkout.com option is the best for me. This does not mean it's going to be the same for you. Maybe you even have more options, not just these four. Basically, just do your research, select whichever one is going to be the best when it comes to the fees that they get and all of these things. So anyways, once you actually find whichever one is best, you basically just want to click on it and click on install from the top right corner, and you're just going to have to set it up through its own portal. Now, how to set it up? Again, it's just going to depend on the platform itself. For example, setting up checkout.com is going to be different from setting up Skrill. Each provider is going to have its own different methods, so I can't really show you in one video how to do that. Like for example, in this case, they're going to be asking for API keys. So it really just depends. Just go through the setup process. It usually is not really going to be too difficult, and you're pretty much good to go. You should be able to have Klarna as a payment method now for your Shopify store. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.